Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I am going to be exploring a trendy, eye-catching hairstyle. Yes, the crochet braids. Yes, crochet braids is the new eye-catching showstopper hairstyle. And I am so excited to share this boho crochet braid style with you. It's not. Please listen to her reaction.
Yeah, you can hold it and
Oh my God! Look at me, I'm beautiful. Oh my God!
So we have a part here. You can just kind of flip it and kind of wear it.
Oh my God, Miss T, I love this.
You like it?
I love it. It's the perfect length. Yes. Oh my God, this is gorge. This is just what I wanted. Oh good. Oh yes.
So you can wear it on either side.
Sassy.
Or you can kind of pull it back a little bit.
Yeah.
Want it kind of off your face a little bit.
Wow.
Just kind of play around with it.
That is so nice. I love it.
Good stuff.
Oh my God. Perfect color. Nice. Really, really nice. Oh yeah. Oh, that's okay. Now where's my grow butter?
Oh,
that's
okay.
beautiful.
Yeah. Good.
Thank you so much. I love it. You know, like, honey, I'm loving it. Do you hear me?
Good.
Wish I had bought more money.
Butter. Now you know we have the butter and the oil. So this is the oil, and you can just take the oil because it has the spout.
Okay.
Just open it up and then just kind of just squeeze it in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this might be a little bit easier for you to use.
Okay.
And put the cap.
I just like that. I like the idea of the butter.
Okay.
Maybe it's just something about that it's just old school to me.
Yep, I can get the butter for you.
Yeah, I like the butter.
In case you're here for the first time, welcome to my channel. Here I dive into all hair issues. Yes, from crochet braids to sew-in weaves with no glue, and today I'm going to be showing you what my special method. Yes, this is my special method that I created myself. It is patent pending. I create each one handmade by myself. So yes, let's dive into this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit that button, and tap that little bell icon so you can turn on the notifications so you do not miss any of the new videos that I upload, because yes, I upload new videos every single week. And don't forget to comment. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you love to hear about, some of your favorite hairstyles, different hair videos that you would like for me to do. And again, thanks for watching, and let's jump into this video. As we work through the steps, I want you to remember that practice makes perfect, and also have patience. Yes, patience is going to be a virtue in creating these styles. So don't get discouraged if your first attempt doesn't turn out the way you hoped it would. Just continue to keep trying, and your styles will get better and better. Again, practice makes perfect. So as you can see, again, I've started a braid pattern. I did some what we call foundation braids around the front, which is around the perimeter, around the forehead and around the neck or nape of her neck. And that is going to provide me with the stability and the stabilization that I need for this style. The middle part of her hair, instead of braiding that back, her hair is stronger in the back than it is at the top and in the front, because that's where she has the most hair loss. I braided these braids going up. Yes, when my clients come in, I assess their hair condition and their hair issues, and then I determine what braid pattern is going to be the most healthiest for their hair. And for hers, yes, braiding these braids coming from the back toward the front is going to be the most healthiest for her hair. So yes, clients and stylists, when you're getting your hair done, clients, make sure that your stylist is doing the best, healthiest braid pattern for your hair. And stylists, yes, let's work on being creative and making sure that we come up with the best braid pattern for our clients' hair, especially if they are experiencing some kind of hair loss, because the last thing we want to do is promote hair loss. What we want to do is promote nothing but hair growth. So yes, get your order in for our hair growth butter and our hair growth oil. Both are made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Nothing but promote hair growth. Yes, so what I did is with the ends of all those braids that I braided to the front, I connected them and made one braid going across the front. That is also going to serve as a foundation braid to make sure that her hair stays stable and stay in place. Yes, this is the magnificent anti-slip cap. Look at this silicone. There's silicone that goes all around the cap, and it prevents any sliding, any shifting, any moving. Yes, get your order in for this anti-slip cap. It's very affordable, it's reusable, it's durable, and it is on my website. So yes, tap the link in the description below to go to our website and order this anti-slip cap. I am telling you, if you have never used it, you need to try it. Get your order in. You will love it. Again, like I said, this will prevent any sliding, any moving, and any shifting for your style. So here I am cutting off a little bit around her ear because I want this cap to be as comfortable as possible. You want the cap to feel comfortable around the ears for your clients. You don't want it to be uncomfortable at all. Earlier there I showed you that there were combs that come in the cap. There's one on each side, there's one in the front, and there's also one in the back. I usually cut the combs out because I'm going to sew this cap down anyway, so that's going to be security enough for the cap to stay in place. Some people prefer to keep the combs in, and that way they use the combs as extra security. They can still sew it down and use the combs. It's solely up to you. And here, yes, I'm using my custom closure. Yes, this is my custom closure that I make specifically for my clients who have alopecia, hair loss, who have thin hair, short hair, damaged hair. This is going to give her style a much more natural look. Yes, no glue, ladies. We will not be using any glue with this style. Glue is, in my opinion, is not healthy for us, and I try not to use it at all. So yes, once I sew down this custom closure, in which, yes, you can get that on my website as well. You can get it pre-braided, but all you have to do is put it on and get ready for your crochet style. Yes, it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Slide it on and start your crochet braid pattern. So you can get it both ways. You can also buy the custom closure without the braids and do the braids yourself. Maybe your stylist can just put the braids in it for you. And here I am just sewing this closure down to make sure that it's nice and secure, that again, that it doesn't move, that it doesn't shift, and it doesn't slide. That's most important. We want to make sure that each style that we do as stylists gives our clients some longevity. They want to be able to wear these styles for at least 4 to 6 weeks. That's the time that I recommend. Anything after 6 weeks is usually time to come back in and get your hair redone. Some of my clients do leave their hair up a little bit longer than that, which may be okay, but it just depends on the clients and their hair condition as well. So here, as you can see, I am braiding that closure. I am getting ready for her crochet style. So yes, again, you can get this closure already pre-braided. It's very affordable. Again, it's durable, it's reusable, and I custom each closure each by hand. Yes, this is a handmade closure by myself, and it requires no glue. Yes, so continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style is accomplished. Again, I will come back and I'll let you know step by step in detail how I do this and create this magnificent style. So again, continue to keep watching and I'll be back soon. Thank you so much for all your support. Please hit that subscribe button, tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, and please give me a thumbs up as that will help my videos and will help my channel. I'll be back soon. Continue to Okay, family, so as you can see, I have already started crocheting on these beautiful boho box braids with the curly ends. Yes, this style is coming out absolutely gorgeous. I am now installing her crochets on that closure. Yes, this closure is absolutely beneficial and amazing for those who have alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, short hair, damaged hair, and even for those who have healthy hair. Yes, you can use this to give your hair a break. Why braid and crochet on your natural hair when you can just use this custom closure? Yes, so now again I am crocheting on that closure, getting it nice and full in the front so that she can be able to wear this style in a lot of different styles. Yes, by that I mean it's very versatile. She's going to be able to wear a left side part, a right side part, a middle part. She's going to be able to pull it back, and yes, here it is. This style is completed and it is absolutely beautiful. Yes, look at that. This is her middle part. She's going to be able to wear it on the right side or on the left side. This is very versatile. It looks super natural, ladies. Oh my gosh, get this custom closure. Tap the link in the description. Put your order in today and you will not regret it. You will be absolutely so amazed and you will love this custom closure. Look at this style. It is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely. I love it and she loves it too. Again, like I said, it's so natural looking. It looks just like her natural hair in the front. No one will ever know that she has any hair loss in the front. At the top, no one will ever know that her hair is really thin underneath. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my God, it is absolutely gorgeous. The length is absolutely gorgeous. The color matches her skin. I mean, it is nice and full. It's not over full. It doesn't look wiggy. Again, it looks so natural. So, again, please subscribe to my channel. Support my channel by tapping that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos. Yes, I upload new videos every single week. And please tap that bell. Give me a thumbs up. I thank you so much for all your support. Again, look at this beautiful style. I am so pleased and so excited every single time I finish someone's hair and I get this reaction. Yes, this is her reaction and I love it.
I love it.
Yeah, you can hold it and
Oh my God! Look at me, I'm beautiful. Oh my God!
So we have a part here. You can just kind of flip it and kind of wear it.
Oh my God, Miss T, I love this.
You like it?
I love it. It's the perfect length. Yes. Oh my God, this is gorge. This is just what I wanted. Oh good. Oh yes.
So you can wear it on either side.
Sassy.
Or you can kind of pull it back a little bit.
Yeah.
Want it kind of off your face a little bit.
Wow.
Just kind of play around with it.
That is so nice. I love it.
Good stuff.
Oh my God. Perfect color. Nice. Really, really nice. Oh yeah. Oh, that's okay. Now where's my grow butter?
Oh,
that's
okay.
beautiful.
Yeah. Good.
Thank you so much. I love it. It's no light, honey. I'm loving it. Did you hear me? Wish I had bought more money.
Now you know we have the butter and the oil. So this is the oil, and you can just take the oil because it has the spout.
Okay.
Just open it up and then just kind of just squeeze it in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this might be a little bit easier for you to use.
Okay.
And put the cap.